So how do you force stop all apps on Android at once? Let me explain it, and if you're new here, subscribe so we can get started. So you probably know that you're going to go to the multitasking panel and click on close all, but that's not really forced closing the apps. So for that purpose, we can go to the Play Store and download some app which will help us get this result. So I'm going to look up the Hibernator app, which you can also get on your device. This is what it looks like, and this is actually the app designed to force stop apps. So you can install it. As you can see, it's freely available and not even that large, so it quickly installed. I can open it and get inside like this, and this gives me the ability to control all of the apps, right? So as you can see, there are like 36 launched apps, whatever, right? So yeah, I can see them all right in here. I can see closed apps, launched apps, and so on. So this gives me the ability to essentially just do stuff that I can inside of the app. Like, as you can tell, it even gives me the ability, or it asks me if I want to allow some deeper access, but you can see that I have to set up and make the permission. So I enable all the things that it really needs, and now I can finally close all of the apps at the same time. So as you could tell, the permissions were kind of important, but completely necessary for this to be closed. So as you can see, it's closing all of the apps right now in the background. It's taking quite a lot of time, actually. So interestingly enough, that's not something you can do using the built-in tools, but after it is done, hopefully the phone should be quicker and it should be more responsive because there are less things running in the background. So as you can tell, we have the 0 launched apps at this point, and everything, all of the apps are now closed. So I hope it helps. Let me know if that was the thing which you are looking for. Hit the thumbs up if it worked, and I'll see you in the future uploads as well.